What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 red flags that I'm looking out always before minting any NFT, especially when it comes to degen. They're not in any specific order, and if any of them showing up, or maybe 2 of them at the same time in the same project, then I'm being very cautious before minting, and most likely I'll be skipping that project. But before I show you those red flags, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So the first red flag is if NFT project has a Discord and they mute main channel. So let's go to the Discord really quick. I'm going to show you this one right here, Ubot. Looks like this server literally just got hacked because they're not planning any NFT sales yet. I don't think it's been announced. And look at this right here. General chat is muted. Nobody can reply to it. So that's a huge red flag. And then they also had an announcement. And right here, as you can see, it says it's 50% sold out. And then again, you cannot add any emojis here, so they disable that. And then if we scroll up, as you can see right here, it says claim here, 0 ether, it's free. But as you can see right here on the left side, the public sale is 5% and whitelist is 4%. So definitely literally this Discord just got hacked right before I start recording this video. It sucks, but I was able to actually capture when Discord is hacked. So you always have to watch out for things like that, and none of the legit projects are doing stealth mint. So for example, if you don't know, or if they're not planning to mint anytime soon, it's not been announced at least in 24-hour in advance, or usually 48 or even more, and it's literally stealth mint like this one, then Discord is hacked or somebody got compromised and they're just trying to put fake mint website and your wallet will be drained. So this is one of the red flags that I'm always watching out for. And the second red flag, when there is no OpenSea link either on Twitter or in their Discord. So for example, let's look at the Discord. If we scroll down, looks like there is not even official link channel. So that's also red flag for me. And then if we go to Twitter, as you can see, this is just for example, one of the projects that was minting earlier, they have OpenSea link right in their bio. Usually when they start minting, they make a tweet with the mint link, and they're also adding OpenSea link and a smart contract link. So if you don't see that, it doesn't mean that project got hacked or anything like that, but for me, it's a red flag. Then a third red flag, for example, let's say this tweet right here, and let's say they posted a mint link and OS link or something like that, but you cannot reply to their tweet. Like for example, this one right here, if I'll press on this little reply, I'll be able to reply to the tweet. A lot of times when it's compromised, or maybe it's a rug pull, what they do, they disable replies so nobody can reply. So this is another huge red flag for me. And then red flag number 4. So I would recommend installing Pocket Universe for everybody who's minting on a PC, and it's available for Chrome, Brave, Edge, Firefox, and I think many other Chromium based browsers this will work on. And as you can see, every time before you're gonna mint, you'll get a pop-up from the Pocket Universe, and then you'll just press continue. In, let's say for example, if the project that you are minting, it's going to be a rug pull and it's going to drain your account, you'll get a message something like this, that you are given approval to withdraw all. Please make sure it's not wallet drainer. So you always have to watch out for this, and I already made a video about Pocket Universe, but I think everybody should use that. This is free extension. There's also a paid option, but free works as great as paid option if you don't want to pay for it. And this is literally every single time it's gonna look and analyze the contract, and it will let you know if it's a drainer or not. Also, I think MetaMask does that, but Pocket Universe does much better job. Red flag number 5. I'm gonna show you an example. So there is one project that's going to be minting tomorrow, and this is the message that I got from them. Hey fam, just seen you followed us, want me to see if I can get you whitelisted. And then I reply back, thank you, I already have whitelist from one of the alpha groups. And then I got another message from them, that's great, our launch is coming up with a bonus free mint, want some spots for your friends or alpha group too. So for me, this is a huge red flag. So this project is minting tomorrow, and looks like they're just allocating whitelist spots left and right, so most likely they're not confident in their project. they're not getting a lot of engagement, and looks like they don't believe that they're gonna sell out. So what they're doing, they're trying to give out whitelist spots to everybody and with hope to mint as much as possible. For me, this is a huge red flag, especially when projects are over allocating like that, and this is last minute over allocation. I'm gonna still watch this project and see how this project is gonna do. If it's gonna be selling out good, then most likely I'll buy it and then I'll instantly flip. Because with this kind of approach, I don't think this project has even confidence in themselves. And then there's also a couple other things that I didn't mention. For example, if you are getting pinged in a Discord, like let's go back and see if this Discord, yeah, it's still locked. Looks like they're still hacked. And I was getting pinged once, and then the second time that 50% sold out. So this is another red flag when you're getting constantly pinged, hey, we're almost sold out and such and such. So there could be many other red flags, but this is 5 red flags that I just showed you and I talked about that I'm always looking out before minting, especially DGM projects. And this is pretty much it. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and thanks for watching.